I'm Elena Bright, and I'm going to show you how negative feedback and positive feedback loops work. I'm in the backyard at my parents' house in Anchorage, Alaska, and I'm going to use pots and rocks and also this map to kind of show you a diagram of how it works between the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, and the ovaries. Rocks will be my hormones, and each of the pots are labeled for what they are. So to start, the ovaries secrete a hormone called estrogen. And so I'm going to add some estrogen hormones here. This then stimulates the pituitary gland to release, the hypothalamus to release a hormone called GnRH up here. So that the ovaries secreting the estrogen stimulates the hypothalamus to release GnRH, which then stimulates the pituitary gland to release LH hormone. The LH hormone then stimulates the ovaries to release additional estrogen. This is what is considered a positive feedback loop. The ovaries release estrogen, the hypothalamus releases GnRH after it is stimulated by that process. That process of releasing GnRH stimulates the pituitary glands to release LH, which then increases the amount of estrogen that the ovaries will produce. If this process gets out of whack, the body's going to want to bring it back to homeostasis. And so it's going to create a negative feedback group. That negative feedback group is the hormone progesterone. Progesterone, indicated by these white rocks, will then be stimulated within the ovary, which will stop the process of GnRH being created in the hypothalamus, pulling some of those out, stopping that process of hormone creation, which then will also stop the process of the pituitary gland making LH hormone, so that pulls out some of those hormones, which also stops stimulating the ovary to create more estrogen, which again will add more progesterone to the batch and pull out estrogen, making it an equal cycle. And that process goes back and forth, keeping the body within homeostasis. The increase in estrogen stimulates progesterone. The increase in progesterone stimulates estrogen production. And that's negative and positive feedback loops in my backyard.